Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. So a lot of companies are working on some form of smart glasses that will change how we view the world around us. Instead of pulling your phone out of her pocket to talk to people, interact with apps, you may do things simply by speaking and looking to a set of glasses. There is a race to be the first to make a set of glasses that everyone will wear, which means they have to be fashionable and slick enough to work all day and everywhere you go. And bouquets of the technology hope that you will one day be able to replace every screen in your life with just one pair of smart glasses. Replace common get just like her phones or computer screen. It will mean big business to the company that comes out on top, likely years away for good. But today will burst. Samsung's work on augmented reality has been leaked into videos that show how Samsung is planning to add a new brand of life in the world of augmented reality. The first video style, the Samsung Glasses Lite, which shows glasses that are much thicker than regular eye frames, but immediately familiar. You can see the real-world application of these glasses with a similar additional what the person is doing through glasses like. The first case is playing a card game with what appears to be on a Samsung phone with a docking station with the controller. Next he shows you can control the glasses, Galaxy smartwatch, but Samsung calls integrated control can do things like watch a YouTube video. The person next switches to DeX display, underpriced an email with a physical keyboard, while applauding desktop appears in front of them and video call scenarios also show. This person then walks outside and activates sunglasses mode to hide the AR display. Finally opened, the glasses can also be used as a display for the throne. If you notice, these are the real-life application of Care glasses, and not some 77 type thing. Is that indicates that this isn't just a concept that will never see the light of day, but an actual developed product that we'll see in the near future. Speaking of concept, the second video is all about child next wearable computing. That shows the virtual keyboard to operate AR office to zoom in with an unlimited field of feel. Like the first video also shows whole calls with full-bodied virtual cares and drool scaling motion. Even though this is totally possible to do in the future with AR, but will surely your survey from seeing this in a commercial product. Without being said, I firmly believe that AR is the future of mobile computing, and it can replace her phones, tablets, and even TVs. Augmented reality has slowly made its way into our daily lives over the past couple of years, tainting the way we shop, play games, and even learn. Like 100% immersive virtual reality headsets that are failing to gain traction. Smart glasses gave users a sense of physical and digital worlds simultaneously, providing a much more natural experience. And the fact that Samsung, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, will Snap, Facebook, and others are all working on some form of smart glasses is only a matter of time. We see this becoming the next big thing. Questionaire's whole tribe introduced AR glasses to the world for us, and how successful that attempt will be. Let me know what you think about AR glasses in the comment, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.